today we are going to revise chapter 4. Okay, so these are some objectives of chapter 4, okay, by which we will revise our chapters. Okay, so first is dash means to rotate or turn the selected picture horizontally or vertically. Okay, dash means to rotate or turn the picture horizontally or vertically. Okay, so this is mainly a question from MS Paint. So let's open the MS Paint. Okay, so all programs, accessories, and there is the option of paint. Okay, so we will open the paint window in a very short way. So I will draw one picture here. I will draw with the help of shape. Okay, I am drawing this, or I am drawing this, and drawing the shape behind this like this, and a triangle over it. Okay, it's only usually I am doing this, taking a color like yellow here. Okay, this color, okay, and this color here, okay, and green color here, and yellow color should be here, and this color, wait a minute, this color will be here and here, and one paint color is here, 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 and here. Wait a minute, right, like this only. Okay, now we need to flip this picture. Okay, so rotate this vertically and horizontally. So where we have to go? We have to go to the home, in the view, home, and you can go to the image group, and here is the rotate option. Okay, here is rotate option. So you can rotate it like this. If you will see, you can rotate it like this. Rotate it to any degree. Okay, rotate it to flip vertical, flip horizontal. Okay, two types of flipping are there. One is vertical, one is horizontal. Okay, vertical and horizontal. So dash means to rotate or turn the selected picture horizontally or vertically. So it is your flip. Answer will be what? Answer will be flip. So answer will be flip. Okay, your answer will be flip. Answer will be flip. Okay, your answer will be flip. Answer will be flip. Clear to everyone? Next question is, the paste command will always insert the drawing at the corner of the drawing area. Okay, which corner? Whenever you paste something, for example, let's open the paint program. I am just selecting this first. For pasting we have to do something first. We have to select this. Okay, and for example this picture is the left corner is this is the top left corner. Okay, and this picture is somewhere else. So I am just going to clipboard and cut it, copy it, and then go to the paste option, paste. So if you will see, it is pasted here. Wait a minute, it will paste in the left corner. It will always paste in the left corner. Right corner you have a drawing, it will always paste in a left corner. Okay, it will always paste in a left corner. Clear to everyone? Paste in a left corner. Whenever you will paste, it will paste in the left corner. आप कहीं भी प्रेस करेंगे, आपके लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में ही ड्राइंग पेस्ट होगी. Okay, it always be in a left corner. So okay, so your answer is left. Okay, next question is the dash selection. The dash, I'm writing this in a red color, then it will be easily visible to you everyone. Okay, now next is the dash selection tool is used to select any irregularly shaped part of the picture. आपको अगर irregular shaped part को आपको करना है, okay, so it here there is the option also. I told you left, it will be top left. Okay, answer will be top left. It will be top left. Okay, it will be top left. Clear to everyone? Okay. Now next is that dash selection tool is used to select any irregular shape. Okay, so अगर आपको irregular shape को select करना है तो where you have to go, that is free form selection tool is there. Okay, free form selection tool is there. So you can open that. You can use that to, for example, I am drawing something. I am drawing one shape like this. Okay, and I am coloring this also like the, wait a minute, black color is not, yellow color. Okay, now I want to select this. Okay, there are two types of selection. One is rectangular selection, it will be straight. Okay, and when you have a free form selection, then you have a ability to select irregular shape also, like this. You can remove it from there and you can paste it anywhere, or either you can remove any irregular part of the picture like this. Okay, so with the help of free form selection tool, we can select the irregular part. Okay, free form. So here answer will be free form. Free form. Okay, so free form selection tool. This is free form selection tool. Okay, and so answer is free form selection tool. Next is if outline is not required. If outline is not required, select dash in the outline option. Okay, अगर आपको outline की requirement नहीं है तो आपको क्या select करना है अपने options में, तो you have to select no outline. No outline. No outline. Okay, you have to select no outline. Okay, so this is how you can do this. So okay student, so it is no outline in the outline option. Okay, so next question is dash is a simple graphic program to draw and color the picture on the screen. To color the picture on the screen. So it is your MS Paint. ठीक है, आपने सिंपल ग्राफिक प्रोग्राम है, इसमें आप अपने पिक्चर्स को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन कलर योर पिक्चर ऑन योर स्क्रीन. सो इट विल बी MS Paint. इसमें आप काम कर रहे हो. ओके, इन विच यू वर्कड. ओके, जिस सॉफ्टवेयर को आपने लर्न किया दैट इज़ योर MS Paint. ओके, दिस इज़ योर MS Paint प्रोग्राम. Clear to everyone? So I hope these objectives are clear now. Student, I don't want, even when your notebook will come, I don't want anyone with you are sending a notebook with no answer. I don't want this type of things. Now these are multiple choice type of questions. The dash is used to select any part of the picture that we want to change. The dash is used to select any part of picture that we want to change. हमें किसी पार्ट को अगर चेंज करना है, तो हमें किसी भी पार्ट को अगर सेलेक्ट करना है, तो हमें कौन से सिलेक्शन टूल को यूज़ करेंगे? Any part of picture. Okay. So we have to use the select tool. Okay, free form selection tool तो आपका एक उसकी कैटेगरी है किसकी? select tool की. So here the answer will be the select tool. select tool. किसी पार्ट को हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं सिलेक्ट टूल के अंदर. सिलेक्ट टूल के अंदर ही फ्री फॉर्म सिलेक्शन टूल होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो योर आंसर विल बी फ्री फॉर्म सिलेक्शन. ओके, सो दिस इज योर करेक्ट आंसर. दिस वन इज योर करेक्ट आंसर. दिस वन इज योर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डैश टूल इज़ यूज टू इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज द व्यू साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. जैसे कि आई हैव शोन यू in the paint program that if I will draw any picture in paint program, for example I am drawing this picture like this and I am coloring this with yellow color. I am coloring filling color green in it, right? And now I want to do what? I want to zoom it. I want to see. So we have to go to view and there is a zoom in, zoom out options are there where you can see your picture in a big way. Okay, आप इसको बड़े में छोटे में देख सकते हैं, right? Okay, you want to increase it, you can increase it. Okay, like this. You can increase it and you can decrease it. Clear to everyone? So there is a zoom option. There is a zoom option. Okay, so answer will be your zoom. Clear to everyone? Now next question is, a dash command is used to make duplicate copy of an object. हमें अगर अपने किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की डुप्लीकेट कॉपी बनानी है तो हमें क्या करना होता है बेटा? देयर आर 2 ऑप्शंस, वन इज कॉपी, वन इज कट. Cut is used for removing that picture from one place and placing to other place. Okay, and copy is used for making duplicate. मतलब एक चीज़ की 2 बना देना, that is called copying. Okay, making a duplicate. So answer will be copy. Okay, answer will be copy. Clear to everyone? So your answer will be copy. Next question is, where does zoom in and zoom out option present? So इस क्वेश्चन को मैंने आपको एक वर्कशीट में दिया था. Okay, now I am revising this question. So zoom in and zoom out option कहाँ present होते हैं? I am giving you answer. Zoom in and zoom out options are available in our let's go to the paint program, in our view option. Okay, view tab. Okay, in our view tab. So what answer we will write? We will write zoom option, zoom in and wait a minute, zoom in and zoom out is present in your view tab. Okay, view tab. Okay, it is present in view tab. Clear to everyone? Your answer will be zoom in and zoom out are present in view tab. Clear to everyone? So these are some shortcut keys I have already given you in worksheet, and in this worksheet I am going to give you to solve it. Okay, here I am explaining and in worksheet I will give you to do practice of it. Okay, so undo command किस लिए यूज़ होती है बेटा? It is used to reverse the last action that you have performed. जब आपने जो भी काम किया है उस एक्शन को, लास्ट एक्शन को क्या करना, रिवर्स करने के लिए आपकी undo कमांड होती है. And what is the shortcut key for it? Shortcut key is Ctrl+Z. Let me show you. Come to the paint program. For example, whatever we have done earlier, उस टास्क को अगर हमको क्या करना है, रिवर्स करना है, तो हमें undo कमांड लगानी होगी. Undo command is also present in the home tab. It is present here. Actually, it is okay. This is here. Here it is present. This is undo command. Okay, it is in the title bar. Okay, undo command is present in the title bar. Okay, student. But if you want, you can do it with the help of shortcut key also. That is Ctrl+Z. So I am pressing Ctrl and Z keys together. And this is your keyboard. And I am pressing Ctrl and Z keyboard. Okay, Z keys together. As I press Ctrl and Z keys together, हमारा जो लास्ट सेक्शन था वो रिमूव हो चुका है, वो रिवर्स हो चुका है. और अगर मुझे क्या करना है, undo कमांड को रिवर्स करना है, if you will see here, next is redo. It reverse the effect of undo command. अब हमने जो undo किया उसको दोबारा से अगर लेके आना है तो वी कैन अप्लाई द रीडू कमांड. एंड रीडू कमांड का जो शॉर्टकट की है what it is कंट्रोल प्लस y. ओके, इट इज़ कंट्रोल प्लस y. सो लेट मी शो यू. कंट्रोल एंड y किया, आई एम प्रेसिंग टुगेदर C. हमने जो अनडू से किया था वो रिमूव हो गया. ओके, सी आई एम डूइंग अनडू. अनडू इज दिस. रीडू, कंट्रोल एंड y की टुगेदर. अनडू की कमांड को रिवर्स करता है रीडू कमांड. ओके, रीडू कमांड इज रिवर्सिंग द कमांड अनडू. सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. ओके, so next is our cut command. One is your cut command and copy command that I have already explained in the objective also. So let's do it again. So let's read this first and then we will apply. Okay, cut command. This command removes the object from current location and saves to the clipboard. वो क्या करता है? कट कमांड आपका क्या करता है? आपके ऑब्जेक्ट को करंट लोकेशन से रिमूव कर देता है और क्लिपबोर्ड में सेव कर देता है. जब क्लिपबोर्ड में सेव हो गया, इट मीन्स वेन एवर यू विल पेस्ट, तो क्लिपबोर्ड से वो कहाँ पेस्ट हो जाएगा? जहाँ भी आप उसको पेस्ट करोगे. ओके, तो ये रिमूव करता है. ओके, एंड व्हाट कॉपी कमांड डज? कॉपी कमांड मेक अ डुप्लीकेट ऑफ द योर ऑब्जेक्ट. आपके ऑब्जेक्ट का डुप्लीकेट करता है कॉपी कमांड. ओके, कॉपी कमांड डज द डुप्लीकेट ऑफ योर ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, क्लियर टू एवरीवन? डुप्लीकेट ऑफ योर ऑब्जेक्ट, उसका डुप्लीकेट बना देता है. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? इट क्रिएट्स द डुप्लीकेट ऑफ योर ऑब्जेक्ट. आपके ऑब्जेक्ट का डुप्लीकेट क्रिएट करने का काम करता है कॉपी कमांड. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके, सो पेस्ट कमांड क्या करता है? इट इज़ हेल्पफुल इन बोथ केसेस. ओके, व्हेन यू कट समथिंग, सो योर पेस्ट कमांड इज डूइंग व्हाट? इट इज पेस्टिंग द आइटम दैट इज सेव्ड इन क्लिपबोर्ड फ्रॉम द कट एंड कॉपी कमांड. ओके, इन योर पेंट प्रोग्राम, in your place where you want to paste. It is always in the top left corner. Let me show you in the paint program. Let's come to the paint program. Okay, so this is your paint program. I want to shift it somewhere. Okay, so let's open the home tab. Okay, and then select it. I'm selecting it and shifting it to this location. Okay, shifting it to this location. Now I am cutting, pasting. I am showing you how to copy, paste and cut, paste. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, we need to select. So I am selecting only the half part. Okay, and where we have to go? We have to go to the home, and in home, in a clipboard group. This is the clipboard group. Okay, let me show you. Wait a minute. आप clipboard group नहीं दिख रहा होगा बेटा. Let me show you. So here is the clipboard group. Okay, आपने select कहाँ से किया? Select command से in the home tab. Okay, this is your clipboard group. The clipboard group you have to click on the copy. I'm right now I'm doing copy. Then I will show you cut. So copy. Okay, it is copied. Now I'm pasting it. Paste. So it will be pasted at the leftmost topmost left corner. It is pasted there. So see, आप देखो इसकी कॉपी बनी है, ये यहाँ से रिमूव नहीं हुआ. It is not removed from there. And now I am pasting to here. I'm just shifting to here. Okay, I'm just shifting. This is a copy. Okay. Now I will show you about how to cut the text. Okay. So first select the text. Okay. Go to the home tab. Click on the select option, and I'm selecting this much part. This is the bigger part. Okay, and now I will go to again home and in the clipboard group. When I cut this, मैंने इसे cut कर दिया. So it is cutted from here. This is different thing. This is different thing. Okay, it is cutted from here now. It is cutted where it is saved. It is saved in the clipboard. It is saved in the clipboard. ये clipboard में save है अभी. Whenever I will click on the paste, it will paste it to the left topmost left corner. Okay, it will paste it to the topmost left corner. So student, whenever we copy or cut something, it is stored in our clipboard. Whenever I will click on the paste option, okay, I am clicking on the paste option, it will paste it at the topmost left corner. Okay, it will be pasted at the topmost left corner from the clipboard से यहाँ आ जाएगा. Okay, तो आपको difference दिखा होगा. This is the cutted text. It is cutted from here. When I copied, it was there. It was there only, but it is a copy of that. So clear to everyone? Cut, copy, paste के regarding everyone is cleared about it. Okay, so this is all about it, and there are the commands for that also. These are the commands. Right now, so I have used the buttons. I have used the button from here. In the home tab, there is a clipboard group where cut copy option is there. But we can use these commands with the help of these shortcut keys also. So student, you all have to learn these shortcut keys. Okay, Control plus V for the paste. Okay, Control plus C for the copy. Okay, Control plus X for the cut, and Control plus Y for redo, and Control plus Z for undo. So thank you everyone. Keep watching the video and do this revision and correct your answers. So many of you done your answer in a wrong manner in some classes also, and let me see in your class also. Okay, so many of you not writing your answer properly. In previous, when I have checked your notebook also, that time also I have seen that your notebooks are in your notebooks, your answers are not there. So these answers I am telling you in videos. So you have to watch the video, and from there you can learn also, and you can solve your worksheet also. Okay, and those who have not done, they can watch this video again. Okay, this video with your worksheet. Okay, and you are able to write all answers, and this is also for your practice. Thank you everyone. Keep watching the video.